Hi, this is Bob Knipe. I'm one of your customer success managers at Interactive Health Technologies. This video will help you unbox your Adidas Zones and get them ready to charge.
Start by carefully undoing the tape and removing the package material. Take some time to read through the Read Me First documents. Remove your Adidas Zone charging case and place it next to an electrical outlet. You'll also find a small brown box. This includes your charging cables. Put the two pieces together, plug them into the wall, and then right into your charging case. Notice how some of the monitors turn on automatically, like in this situation. Some of them will need to be moved, like this one. So go ahead and take your fingers and move it around until the magnetic connection is connected, just like this. Repeat this process for all the Adidas Zones.
During your unboxing, you'll also find this box. In this box is your Spirit reader. As you open it up, you'll find this small disc, which is your reader. Okay, it connects through this cable. One side goes into the reader, the other side goes into your USB on your computer. As you complete this step, you'll be one step closer to your training with your customer success manager.